Tom Lehrer, of course, is a lecturer at Harvard, so we felt that he should impart some education to us tonight. It was a news item coupled with one of the children's remarks at the beginning of the show that triggered him off. So, lecturer Lehrer.
I don't know why it is, but people in London invariably take me for an American. And they come up to me and they say either one of two things. Either they say, "Get out of Vietnam," or they ask, "Tell me, how do you Americans manage with your ridiculous decimal currency?" Well, I'd like to take this opportunity of assuring you that the decimal system is really much simpler. In fact, we have a saying about your money: penny wise, the pound is foolish. It's one of those sayings that hardly anyone says. But tonight, as a sort of hands across the sea gesture, I'd like to explain how easy it will be for you to get used to decimal currency. Supposing you are purchasing a certain item, the price of which is now 6 shillings and 5 pence, 6 and 5. Now, this is how you would convert it. Now, 5 pence is 5/12ths of a shilling, and shilling, of course, is 5/100ths of a pound. So 5 pence then is 2 cents plus a 1/12th of a cent. But of course, there's no such thing as a 1/12th of a cent, so you call it 2 cents, and already you've made a profit. Now, 6 shillings are 30/100ths of a pound, and you add the 2 cents and get 32 cents, and you look for a 32-cent piece. But of course, there's no such thing as a 32-cent piece, so you give him a 50-cent piece and hope for the best. So he gives you 18 cents in change, but what you want to know is, how much is that in real money, right? Well, as anybody with a master's degree in maths can tell you, if a shilling is 5% of a pound, then it's 500% of a cent, and so percent is 5 times as much as per shilling. Isn't that thrilling? So how many shillings in 18 cents? Why, 3, of course, with 3 cents over, and that's 3/5 of a shilling, or 36/5 of a penny, which is 7 pence, and 1/5 of a penny. But of course, there's no such thing as 1/5 of a penny, so you call it 7 pence, and there goes the profit you made before, and it serves you right, you greedy thing. Now, I can see by your faces that I've made my point, and that pleases me, because tonight was a sort of educational experiment, using you as 105-cent pigs. And in a few years, I know you'll all be happily singing songs like this. I've got 2.5 cents, I've got 2.5 cents, I've got 2.5 cents to last me all my life. I've got 5/6 of a cent to spend, and 5/6 of a cent to lend, and 5/6 of a cent to send home to my wife. And I do hope that it's all clear to you now, and I'd like to stay and answer questions, but you'll have to excuse me. I have to spend 5/12ths of a cent.